Hello everyone. Welcome to Speak English Basics. My name is Alex.
And I'm Emma. Today, we're going to talk about something super important for students and English learners. Asterisk how to talk about school subjects in English.
This lesson will help you describe your favorite subjects, talk about your schedule, and share your thoughts about studying.
Let's get started. First, let's learn the names of common school subjects in English.
We'll explain each subject and give you example sentences.
Let's start with. This is the subject where you study numbers, shapes, and calculations. Example, math is my favorite subject because I love solving problems. Science. Science includes topics like biology, chemistry, and physics. Example, in science class, we're learning about the solar system. English. English is the subject where you study grammar, vocabulary, reading, and writing. Example, English class is fun because we read interesting stories. History. In history, you learn about past events, famous people, and important dates. Example, I learned about World War II in history class today. Geography. This is the study of the earth, maps, countries, and cultures. Example, in geography, we're studying the mountains and rivers of Asia.
What about creative subjects, Emma?
Great question.
Art.
Art is about drawing, painting, and making creative projects. Example, I love art class because I can express myself through drawing. Music. Music class is where you learn to sing or play instruments. Example, in music class, I am learning to play the guitar. Physical education, P. P is about sports, fitness, and staying active. Example, P is my favorite class because I love playing basketball.
Computer science.
This subject teaches you about computers, programming, and technology. Example, I learned how to code in computer science class.
Now let's learn how to talk about your favorite and least favorite subjects.
You can use these simple phrases to express likes. I like subject. Example, I like math because it's easy for me. My favorite subject is subject. Example, my favorite subject is science. To express dislikes. I don't like subject. Example, I don't like history because it's boring. I find subject difficult. Example, I find geography difficult because there's a lot to memorize.
What if you feel neutral about a subject?
You can say, I don't mind subject.
Let's move on to discussing school schedules. Your schedule tells you what classes you have and when.
Here's some useful phrases. I have subject at time. Example, I have science at 9 a.m. My first class is subject. Example, my first class is math. We have subject every day. Example, we have P every Monday. When is your subject class? Example, when is your geography class?
You can also talk about your weekly timetable. On Monday, I have math, English, and history.
Exams and homework are a big part of school life.
Let's learn some important words. Exam/test, a way to check your knowledge. Example, I have a history exam next week. Homework, work your teacher gives you to do at home. Example, I need to finish my English homework. Grade/mark, the score you get on a test or assignment. Example, I got a good grade on my science project.
Here's some useful phrases. When is the next exam? How did you do on the test? Did you finish your homework?
Teachers and the way they teach can make a big difference.
Let's learn some ways to describe them. My subject, teacher, is very kind. Example, my English teacher is very kind. The subject, class is fun. Example, the art class is fun because we get to paint. The subject, class is challenging. Example, the math class is challenging, but I like it.
You can also talk about your classmates. My classmates are very helpful. We work on group projects in science.
Let's practice a few conversations.
I'll ask questions and you answer. What's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is art because I love drawing.
When is your next class?
My next class is music at 11 a.m.
Did you finish your math homework?
Yes, I finished it last night. Here are some tips to remember vocabulary. Write it down. Keep a notebook for new words. Use flashcards. Write the subject on one side and a sentence on the other. Practice speaking. Talk about your school subjects every day. Watch videos. Videos like this one help improve your understanding.
And don't forget to practice with friends or family. That's all for today's lesson. We hope you feel more confident talking about school subjects in English.
Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends.
See you next time. Bye.